Hi everyone. Sometimes we need to change the country on Amazon to access region-specific products, different prices, better deals, or update shipping options for another location. In this video, I'll show you how to change the country on the Amazon app quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on the language and country flag icon. This will open the region settings, where you can change your country, language, and currency based on your needs. To change the country, tap on the country option. You'll now see a list of available countries. Simply scroll through the list and select the country you want to switch to. After selecting your preferred country, tap on the Done button to save the changes. And that's it. Your Amazon app country has now been updated successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials.